So now you've let this dry and you're ready for the second coat. But before you put a second coat on, this is where a lot of people make the mistake too, is they just throw another coat on there. But if you want it to be really smooth, right now it's fairly smooth, but there's still a little bit of, some bumps and such in there. So that's when you take your sponge and you're just gonna lightly sand it. You don't wanna sand it all the way off. In fact, I'm gonna do it off of these things. But you wanna sand it so that you're getting rid of any of the raised portions from the wood absorbing it or from your brush or your roller. And just a quick, really quick run through, because you don't want to sand it off. So now you've got it where it's smooth and it's ready to go for a second coat. You want to make sure that your brush stays wet so that you can let it flow, because what this paint is designed to do, it's designed to level, a lot like lacquer, and so it's designed to, if you get it on there thick enough, you don't want to leave streaks or things like that where you don't have it very thick. But if you leave it on there, put it on there so that it can level off, that's how you get that smooth finish, a lot like a lacquer does, it just levels off. All right, so again I'm going to do my panel, and I'm going to do it fairly thick here. All right, so there we have it. You want to make sure that it's all wet and uniform and there's no drips. Again, on this, you gotta watch these edges, especially that there's no drips on it, and that it's all, you can look at it in the light and just kind of see that it's ready to go. Again, let that dry for 30 to 45 minutes. Then you can flip it over and then do the same thing with the front side that you did on the back side here.